Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple root config by using React routing library. So in this video I'm just going to share you how can you make a simple an array with for the object, and then you can call this array path, object path and components by using an array. So if you want to call a path and component by using an array, so don't you need to make a function to for making an you can say that this is the dynamic functions which is coming from an array. All right, so first of all I just want to tell you here I just have a code and I put it in this nested.js file. So in this nested.js file I'm just making a simple import react and react library, and in this library we just know that this is exporting form of simple basic component. Okay, after that, line number 2 to line number 7, I just apply the browser router switch is a package, root is a package, link is a package, and browser router is also the package. So what have done in the browser router and router as is meaning as means aliases, as you are familiar in SQL. So as is used for the aliases. Okay, and what does the meaning of switch is actually using for the decision making statement, either which route you suit and which route you want to be go. Okay, in this route and this link, okay, you can click on this link and you can click on the route, so you can share this. So here is a from and react router dom is a package actually coming from you. When you install the react router dom, then you just apply the from. Okay, so here as an I apply the object called a constant. In this constant roots has a path and component. So this is the actual path which is shows like this, and I just show you the output, so you can see this output. Okay, so when I click on this, so you can see this is the switch, either when the page has been loaded. Okay, so I click on this and I just remove this switch and enter this value. So here is nothing to show in a browser window. Okay, when you hit on a click of tacos or sandwich, so it shows this. Okay, when you click on tacos, so tacos has a multiple links. All right, and in this link I just apply the bus and card. You can see this is the bus and card. All right, so as you familiar with this routing library, so I'm just going to tell you each of these component, how it comes and how can you apply this. Okay, so you can apply this is the nested roots. Here I just apply the nested root of a tacos. So you can see this is a nested root. When I click on tacos, so it shows the bus and cart. Okay, how it shows here, you can see this is the tacos, this is the basic link of tacos. Here you can see this basic links of tacos, and when you hit on the basic link of tacos, so it shows bus and cart. So how it come from, this is the tacos link and this is the bus, this is the tacos and this is the card. Okay, so what happened when you click on the card and it shows the card component, when you click on the bus, so it shows the bus component. So here is the functions of component. You can see this is the component of bus, this is the component of card. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you in a short form. Here I'm making an export default function root config example. In this function I just make a simple router and it returns a value. It returns a DOM. You can see this document object module written from this function. So here I just show the link simple which is showing in front of your window. When you click this, so it shows only two functions, tacos and sandwiches. So here you can see this, the tacos and sandwiches, it's showing this route. First of all, when it switch, when you click on the simple route, so it calls a simple mapping on a simple array. It maps on an array. So here is an array. You can see this array is mapped by using this roots.map root I it's mean there's the key of an array and root is the value of an array. Or you can call this a root in this root. Okay, so this is a nested form, first, second and third. Okay, so three dots means this is a nested root, it's calling it. Okay, and just going towards in this, and here is a subroot of a function. No, first of all I just show you the simple functions. So here is a sandwich function which shows the simple sandwich, only sandwich. How it's showing, when user hit on this link, it has an array like sandwich and it shows a sandwich component. So here is a sandwich component. Okay, After that, when you click on the tacos, so what happened, tacos has a multiple roots parameter, it's showing in a id. You can see this is a roots of a value, and here is the simple heading tacos, which shows like this, tacos. Okay, there's an adding is a tacos, and it embed, it's bind two links like a bus and card. So both links are there, and these both links are configure by using this switch. And when you click on the switch button, so it shows a two method both components like a bus and card. So we have a three components, you can see this total all over the first one, second and third, and the fourth one is this. Okay, so this is the basic root config here. And what is happening in the root with subroot, in a simple root we just apply the parameter like a root, and in this root just making a tag, and in this tag we have apply the path and rendered. Rendered means it props the state which is coming from an array, and it's props with the root and roots with the root. So what happened, it has a multiple roots. Okay, so when you click on the tacos, so it going towards the roots, and roots within the roots, roots and roots. Okay, so this is the hierarchy, and we can say this is the branches of an array, and it's showing like this. So if you want to change something in this video, so I'm just going to tell you how can you change it. If you want to apply the multiple array, if you want to apply the more than things, so you just need to apply here. You can remove this or may to apply the tacos. So this is the tacos, it going towards in a multiple hierarchy of an array. So I hope you can understand this video, and in the shortest of the video is basically a good thing, and I hope you can understand. If you want any question regarding this video, if you not understandable by the root with subroot roots of any kind of question, so you may ask me. And this actually code copied from React router library. So the making of this video, the reason of this making video, you makes understand to how to work on the simple React router DOM. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.